Well, aren't you having a good time on your hike? Huh?
Halfway up Blood Mountain and it's raining.
It's raining, so we got out our temporary ponchos.
Our emergency stash.
So we have our emergency ponchos, and we are overlooking a very long trail down. We're on the way up though, so we're almost to the top of the mountain. Fine.